smart homes integrate numerous devices into a single cohesive system. This creates a connected environment designed to enhance user convenience and comfort. These intelligent systems continuously gather data from their surrounding environment. The collected information is then processed to optimize various functions within the home. This optimization leads to automated adjustments for lighting, climate, security, and entertainment. Smart homes operate through continuous data collection, forming their core functionality. This process involves various sensors deployed throughout the home environment. These sensors capture diverse data, including environmental conditions and user interactions. They also monitor the status and performance of connected smart devices. Smart home devices continuously collect various forms of data from their environment. This collected data is then transmitted through diverse network infrastructures. Often, these networks leverage cloud-based platforms for efficient data handling. The data undergoes processing and analysis in these cloud environments. This interconnected system forms the intelligent backbone of smart home functionality. Advanced smart homes are evolving to integrate sophisticated biometric data collection for enhanced security and personalization. By 2026, these systems may extensively utilize biometric technologies. Facial recognition is one key biometric method employed for user authentication. Voice print analysis offers another layer of biometric security, identifying users by their unique vocal patterns. These biometric inputs authenticate users, ensuring only authorized individuals access home systems. Beyond security, biometrics enable personalized experiences, adapting home settings to individual preferences. Smart home systems leverage advanced technology to enhance living environments. A key component is predictive analytics, which anticipates user needs. This capability is built upon the continuous accumulation of data from daily activities. Algorithms analyze these data patterns, learning individual routines and preferences. Based on learned patterns, the system can autonomously automate various tasks. This leads to a more personalized and efficient smart home experience. Many smart home devices integrate always-on listening capabilities. These devices continuously process audio input from their surroundings. The primary function is to detect and respond to voice commands. This constant audio processing raises significant privacy concerns. A key question is the extent and duration of audio data retention. Users often lack clear information on how their audio data is managed. Smart home devices continuously collect a wide array of user data within the household environment. This collected data includes usage patterns, preferences, and interactions with connected appliances. This information is then analyzed to create highly personalized user profiles. These profiles enable advertisers to deliver targeted advertisements with high precision. Personalized ads may appear on various connected screens and devices within the smart home. This integration of data and advertising aims to enhance relevance and engagement for consumers. Smart home systems are designed to integrate various devices and services within a living space. These systems continuously observe and analyze user habits and preferences through data collection. Based on this data, smart homes can employ subtle nudges to influence user behavior. Nudges involve suggesting actions or products that align with observed patterns or desired outcomes. This capability allows smart homes to proactively guide users towards specific behaviors or choices. All collected data, including sensitive personal information, is stored on servers. These servers often operate within data centers, managed by third-party companies. The security of these data repositories is of paramount importance. Robust security measures are essential to protect against unauthorized access and breaches. Ensuring data integrity and confidentiality is critical for user trust and regulatory compliance. Smart home systems offer convenience but pose potential security risks. Despite robust security measures, these systems can be vulnerable to cyber attacks. Unauthorized access to smart home devices can compromise personal data. Attackers can gain control over various home devices, leading to privacy breaches. Protecting smart home systems requires vigilance and strong cybersecurity practices. A data breach in a smart home system can expose sensitive personal information. This exposure can lead to serious consequences, including identity theft. It may also result in other forms of exploitation for the affected individuals. Such incidents underscore the critical importance of robust data protection measures. Strong security protocols are essential to safeguard user privacy in smart home environments. Smart home devices extensively collect personal data from users. This data collection raises significant ethical concerns regarding privacy boundaries. Users face a dilemma, balancing the convenience offered by smart technology. This convenience must be weighed against the potential loss of personal data control. The core issue is defining acceptable limits for data surveillance in private spaces. Obtaining explicit user consent is crucial for data collection and usage. This process is a vital ethical consideration in data handling. Transparent consent mechanisms are essential for building and maintaining user trust. Clear communication ensures users understand how their data will be used. Data anonymization is a technique used to protect privacy in collected data sets. It involves removing personally identifiable information, PII, from data. The primary goal is to mitigate privacy risks associated with data sharing. This process helps safeguard user identities while allowing data analysis. Smart homes utilize interconnected devices that collect and process personal data. This data includes user habits, preferences, and sensitive personal information. Governments and regulatory bodies are developing frameworks to address these privacy concerns. The primary goal is to protect consumers' data privacy rights within smart home ecosystems. These frameworks aim to establish clear guidelines for data collection, usage, and storage. Simultaneously, they seek to foster continued technological innovation in the smart home sector. Smart homes offer convenience through interconnected devices and automated systems. These systems continuously collect and process vast amounts of user data. Understanding these hidden data dynamics is crucial for users. It empowers users to make informed decisions about adopting smart home technologies. Users can then configure their smart home settings effectively. This balance ensures both convenience and the protection of personal privacy.